26 years old, has one child, lost about 100 pounds with diet and exercise over the last few years. Her weight's been stable. She was a great candidate for a body lift. If you look at her before picture, she has a lot of excess skin, both in the front, the sides, and posteriorly. So the beauty of the body lift is essentially that it lifts up the upper buttock and it lifts up the outer thigh and contours the abdomen. So we removed over 7 pounds of tissue from her, both anteriorly, laterally, and posteriorly. And we also did a breast augmentation because she had a lot of deflation from the weight loss. We put 385cc highly cohesive implants in the dual plane position, so submuscular, and we did the body lift. So we're all done with surgery. This was her before, okay? You guys can see here specifically all the loose skin that she had, the deflation in the breast. So all the things that you would expect after a significant weight loss. And then you can see from the side here, again, significant amounts of tissue that we removed and all the excess skin here. And then over here you can see the overhanging skin. Now in the back, you guys can see here that she's got a lot of loose skin both in the waist areas and the flanks. You can't liposuction that. So the body lift that we did removed this much tissue, significant amount of tissue. It's going to significantly improve her waist to hip ratio, and it'll also lift up the upper buttock. So you guys can see her buttock is tonic, and there's also these appearance of cellulite. Well, I couldn't get rid of the cellulite, but what I did was we were able to lift the buttock up, and when we do that, it smooths out the buttock appearance. So it actually lifts the buttock, improves the overall texture of the buttock, and it also lifts the lateral thigh. So the body lift is a very powerful procedure to be able to address multiple areas of the body with one procedure. So the body lift was done. We're all done with surgery. She looks phenomenal, and she's 26 years old. She's going to look like she's actually 26 for a change. She's going to love it. So thanks for tuning in. You can notice improvement in the upper buttock contour, the outer thigh, and waist contour. Final thoughts on the video you just saw. She's 26 years old. Body lift surgery is one of the procedures I enjoy doing the most because it is so transformative, as you guys can see. It improves the upper buttock, the outer thighs, the abdominal contour. So in about 5 hours and 15 minutes, we did a breast augmentation with a body lift, completely transformed a young 26-year-old woman's life. And it's a privilege to be able to do that. About a year ago, we did her arm lift as well. So, we have some before and after pictures. Obviously, the video that you just saw is time 0. The whole point of this is to show how amazing that immediate transformation is at time 0 on the table. And of course, people are going to want to see, well, what do they look like in 3 months or 6 months? So for those results, they're definitely there. Check out the website, bodybyravi.com. Go to the photo gallery and click on mommy makeover or body lift surgery or tummy tuck surgery. You guys are going to see hundreds of before and after pictures there. So those patients are usually 3 months or 6 months or even further out, sometimes a year, 2 years out. Those are going to give you some long-term results of what the procedure that we just did today looks like. But again, this just gives you different frames of reference in terms of what surgery looks like at time 0 versus the photo gallery, which shows what patients' results looks like further out in time. And lastly, if you guys like this kind of content, then definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a lot of misinformation out there on the internet regarding plastic surgery. I'd rather you guys just get it from a trusted source. So definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and for some comedic, comical things of me doing some things that I probably shouldn't be doing, check out my TikTok channel as well.